Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G84 and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Autofill. Start by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then click on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. If you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. To make them visible, you need at least one, so to fix it, click on this gear next to Password Manager. Then make sure that Offer to Save Passwords option is on, log in to any app, and click Save in Autofill pop-up. After that, your password will appear over here, and you'll be able to add any other one from those settings. To do that, click on this plus next to Search Passwords. Then enter website data at the top or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Now enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even some helpful notes. When you're done, hit Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!